Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's straightforward tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to save your PowerPoint presentation directly to a USB flash drive. Let's get started. First, go ahead and plug your USB flash drive into an available port on your computer. You might see a small notification pop up on your screen letting you know that the drive is connected and ready to use. Now, open the PowerPoint presentation you want to save, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. In the menu that appears, click on Save As. From here, click on More Options or Browse. This will open up your standard Windows File Explorer. On the left-hand menu, look for this PC and click on it. In your list of devices and drives, locate your USB drive. It might be labeled USB drive or show the manufacturer's brand name. Double-click to open it. Next, click the file name box at the bottom of the window. Type in a name for your presentation and click Save. To double-check that your file saved correctly, open a new File Explorer window, go to this PC, and open your USB drive. You should see your newly saved PowerPoint file right there. Before unplugging, always remember to safely eject. Close PowerPoint, click the upward arrow on your bottom Windows taskbar, right-click the USB icon, and select Eject. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and practical tutorials.